Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the ACCO number 5999-00403 3/8 chain size chain latch assembly. Let's take a closer look at it. What the parts are outside of the packaging. Documentation included with it, of course, would be your installation instructions. And there is a link, of course, down below this video. Latch kit instructions. That spring that's in there as well. And this video will serve as dimensional and visual evidence of the item. So here's the latch. Okay. Let's take some dimensional properties. Overall height, you can see it's about 3 inch. Overall width at the top, about 11/16. Down at the bottom, it's going to be closer to about 1 3/16 inches. Dimension of the head, about 11/16 as well. You're going to have this screw, which might be 10/32 or maybe 3/16 with a nylon lock nut. Then, of course, the spring that's going to work inside of all of that. Okay. Get that compressed down. Obviously how you would end up doing that. Okay. Looking at the installation instructions, very simple and straightforward. You know, you've got the screw, you've got the lock nut, and there it is for 3/8 chain size. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page from within our site, where you can pull up not only all of the ACCO products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's product catalog, along with all the ACCO products that we sell. Any questions on the ACCO? This is their part number 5999-00403, 3/8 chain size latch assembly, or any other ACCO product. Please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.